Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Docker installed and are signed in. Now pull the image. Explain why. Fetching a pre-built file system saves development time and ensures consistency. First, open a terminal and run docker pull image tag. The tag avoids surprises. Once done, verify with Docker images to list local copies and check size. Make sure to choose an official or well-maintained image. This reduces security risks and gives predictable behavior for the next steps. You will now instantiate and configure the container. Start with Docker run flags, D runs detached, name provides an easy handle, P maps host ports. Explain why. Mapping ports exposes services, while volumes keep data across restarts. Once running, Docker PS shows status, Docker log streams output. If you need runtime tweaks, Docker execute mycontainer/bin/sh opens a shell. Make sure to stop with Docker stop. Before removing, you finish by cleaning up or promoting the container to production. If keeping it, create a Docker file or compose file for repeatable deployment. This explains how to rebuild reliably. To remove, stop then rm. To reclaim space, prune images and volumes. One key troubleshooting tip: if the container fails to respond, test with Docker logs and Docker exec. Check port mapping and firewall rules. If DNS or network isolation is the issue, inspect Docker Network LS and Docker Network Inspect for misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.